Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nazia, a teacher living and working in the beautiful island of Maldives. Today after school, I stepped outside to find the weather had completely transformed. It was incredibly windy and the rain seemed just around the corner. The air was so refreshing and I couldn't resist heading to the beach to enjoy this amazing climate. So here I am walking towards the shore. The closer I got, the more intense the wind became. It was so chilled out and refreshing. I loved every second of it. When I reached the beach, I was surprised to see massive waves crashing onto the shore and the palm trees were swaying wildly in the wind. It almost felt like the wind was physically pushing me. It was such a thrilling experience. While standing near the shore, the waves gently touched my toes and legs. I have heard that seawater contains magnesium, which can act as a natural therapy. I'm not entirely sure if that's true, but it felt so relaxing to just stand there and let the waves wash over me. As the weather started getting worse, I decided to head back. On my way, I noticed how lively the beach area was. There was benches to sit and admire the view, chessboard setups for a fun game by the sea, and even the barbecue stations. This place is so just about nature. It's a perfect spot to enjoy some activities while soaking in the stunning surroundings. After leaving the beach, I stopped for some grocery shopping. Just as I finished, the rain came pouring down and I had to rush back home. On the way, I noticed how quiet the streets appeared in my videos. Many of you have commented that the places I film look deserted. The truth is, I avoid capturing people in my videos out of respect for their privacy. But trust me, this island is bustling with life, homes of tens of thousands of people. And speaking of my day, let me share something special for breakfast lovers. One of the best breakfast you can have is South Indian staples like dosa and idli. They are delicious and super easy to prepare. Here is the simple process. Take half glass of black lentils, urad dal, and 4 times the quantity of rice. Any thick rice works. Soak them separately for about 7 to 10 hours. Then grind them into a smooth batter. This batter makes the perfect dosas and idlis, so your breakfasts are always sorted. I'll show you the full process in the upcoming video as well. Everyone, today I went for monthly grocery shopping and many of you were asking me what all things are available and what are the cost of it, so that you can do your budgeting and can know how much you can save here as a teacher working in Maldives. So this video is made only for that purpose. Okay, so let's see. I'll show you what I brought, and some things are personal, so maybe it might differ for you. So the first thing that I got is this nachos chips. So this is personal, obviously. You can skip it if you don't want it. And up next, I have this huge bag here. Okay, so this is my monthly grocery. What I got for the entire month. So this has onions, garlic, ginger and everything, and it costed around, you can see here the rates, 12 for onion, 5 for garlic and 3 for ginger. Then I got the soft buns. You can get the buns like this, which has 3 dates of expiry, and it is 6 rupiah. So checkout price is 5 rupiah. Up next is I got hide and seek, which is 14 rupiah, and this is lemon and chili. The cost of it you can see here, 2.60 for lemon and 5.75 for green chili. And salt, 8 rupiah, iodized salt, 8 rupiah. Then rice, This rice is the one that I consume, and it is 29 rupiah. It's very good quality rice. Bandari, it is made in Pakistan. I just really like this particular rice. And then this is the first time I'm going to try this nuggets. So let's see how it is. Let's try this nuggets for the first time. This was 49 rupiah. So I got it for 44 rupiah. So these are just snacks that I got. Is it? Yeah. Now moving forward for the dishwash, I have it here. So this is the dishwash bar. This is 10 rupiah, and you get a good quantity inside it. It's like the Vim that we have in India. Then Lux soap, one bar is of 9 rupiah. So you can see same the bar. So shampoo, the cost of shampoo here is 48 rupiah. Sunsilk, you get Head and Shoulder here for 58 rupiah. Okay, so then the last one is Tide. This Tide I got it for 45 rupiah. So this goes on for 1 month. Apart from this, I also got milk powder. Hi again. Here's a quick clip from the next evening. I was feeling a bit nauseous at home, so I decided to step out for a walk. Walking always helps clear my mind, and it felt great to get some fresh air. And while I was out, I picked up a few fruits for myself. Gotta keep that healthy routine going. And before I sign off, I wanted to share a little about the nightlife here on Formula Island. It's not what you might expect from the typical idea of nightlife. It's quite calm and incredibly peaceful. The serene atmosphere makes it perfect for a relaxing evening stroll. Walking isn't just for good for the mind, but also for the body. I highly recommend taking 30 minutes out of your day for a walk. It's a simple yet effective way to stay healthy and recharged. That's it for this little yet a long update. Thanks for watching and being a part of my journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and to get more insights into life here in the island in Maldives. Let me know in the comments how do you like to relax in the evening. Until next time, stay active and take care of yourself. Bye bye.